Hello everyone, I am Awal Hossain Roni from Bangladesh. I am participant of Global. Now I am describing what is First, is a mutual aid fund. Second one is is a social financial network. Then is a community of people who want to be free. Next on, has no boss. Everyone can work here. Everyone is equal. In the registration process is very easy. Don't tell you to provide help. Your all money you have. Now, how does works? First one is is a community of people providing each other financial help on the financial of graciousness, reciprocity and benevolence. In we use Bitcoin infrastructure in our transaction. In there are no leaders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one helps. In the transaction, participant operate with Bitcoin. Now, the strength of In we can use Bitcoin. It's good choice. Everyone can choose Bitcoin all over the world. Second one is Sir Sharjah Marbudi updated news every week. It helps to member to get encouraged. Third one is all people can participate in the community. Fourth one is registration system is very easy. Everyone can join if he has Gmail and phone number. 5. We can earn 100% per month by doing simple tasks. Number 6. In we can chat person to person. It's good for us. Number 7. In everyone is equal and everyone will get same opportunity. In we will get $20 registration bonus. It's help for poor people. Thank you, Global. Together we will change the world. Thank you, everyone.